is the Tuesday, 4th of March. It is we have 9 p.m. news on the USD. I'm sorry if I'm not super clear right now. It's 5:30 a.m. where I'm at, but I just want to keep these videos as consistent as possible and post them even though I'm traveling. So let's dive straight into price, okay? On the DXY, oh, what the fuck? Sorry. On the DXY, what price has done is it has rejected this weekly order block right here, this monthly order block as well. And now what we are looking for is lower prices coming to target this higher time frame liquidity point. So that's literally it. Let's go down to the daily time frame for the DXY. So what price has done is it has swept this high, mitigated this daily zone, closed this daily gap, recuperated all of the potential sell orders, and now we've printed a massive bearish candle. And so what I want to see coming into this week is for price to continue pushing lower. This is the high of the week in my opinion. We won't see this high being traded through unless we might have bullish moves. So I want price to come into this BPR right here, sweep a potential lower time frame high, and then so that would be the manipulation, and then head lower. So let's see what the 4-hour time frame looks like. So this is the current high that we could potentially see being swept before heading lower. We have this 4-hour zone all the way back up here. I don't feel like price is going to trade all the way back up there, but it could. So this is definitely the drawn liquidity. Look at these lows down here, and so this is potentially the first high. So what we want to see if we're expecting a bearish candle today is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and that will be the trade that we're looking to take. Okay, pretty simple. Open, high, low, close. That's it. No need to overcomplicate it. Our bias is bearish, so what are we looking for? Accumulation, manipulation, sweep a high, and then downside. So let's go down to the 15 minutes, see how that is translating. So obviously these lows are much more visible down here on the 15-minute time frame, and we have had a massive displacement lower. However, this has just swept this low. We're starting to push up higher, and what price could do now is potentially reverse from here, which means we might not get much of a manipulation. But ideally, like in order for me to trade a short and a long on the euro, we need to probably take this high, and then we can see some downside potentials, right? So let's go to the euro on the daily time frame because there's not much to say on the weekly now. This is the previous daily candle, so a massive bullish engulfing. We've inverted this fair value gap, and this zone was basically just reused, so swept liquidity and then pushed higher with strength. And so I'm still expecting higher prices, targeting all of these daily equal highs, which are very, very clean. So let's go down to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour time frame, what price has done is it has swept this obvious low. We had a chock here, and now we've just shot up, and there's nothing here that I'm really looking at that could support a bearish bias to target this low. Like there's nothing clear here. We've inverted. We haven't respected this order block. This is all just wicks. I guess you could say this rejection block right here. But a bias is bullish on the higher time frame, so that's what I'm still expecting. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. So this is much clearer. These highs right here, super clean equal highs. This low right here, which I'm expecting to be swept. And then all we want to see is confirmation once we've swept this low that price wants to potentially head higher. So again, for the DXY, we're looking for an open, high, low, close. So open, high, low, close. So for the euro, what we're going to be looking for is the inversion and a open, low, high, close. So what we want to do is take this long, target these highs. You can potentially keep partials all the way up to these highs, and then that's it. This would not be down here, obviously, and this is ridiculous R, but that's what I'm looking for. I want this low to be swept. I recommend you set an alert at this low. Anything before this low, in my opinion, is going to be inducement. So any action coming here is going to be, if you see any bullish movements coming from here, it's probably because you're getting induced, right? And then once we sweep this, we can see some potential bullish momentum to take the longs. And what I am going to point out, because I was pretty sure that we had a 5-minute zone down here, is this bad boy right below the zone. Okay, keep this 5-minute order block in mind. I don't know why it's not printing as my 5-minute order block. 5. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this slow swept and then bullish upside. And for the GBP USD, it's going to be the same thing. I have to wrap up this video pretty quickly now, but we have this daily inversion fair value gap. We've been pushing higher. We've now swept this high, but we're still bullish. So what we want to see is price continue to trade higher and sweep this low, displace higher on the 15-minute time frame, translate to the same thing, sweep this low, and then push higher. That is it for today's daily market outlook video. I hope it helped you. And if you want more free content, just join the Discord group. Thank you.